make it appear driving a mower on the highway. You can look at me.
Dispatch 12.
Good. 2247 dispatch. Be out on a. He's trying to stop a Craftsman red lawnmower, white male. Appears to be signal 98. It's going to be John Connor Road at south of Mahoney Road. What is this guy doing?
Dispatch 28.
10-4 dispatch.
Hey, go ahead.
So you turn that off?
Was I speeding?
What do you...
4811.
You're not supposed to be riding a lawnmower on the highway. What are you doing?
Expiration 9.
I'm just going to the store right down here. My truck is broke. I mean, my wife said if I didn't get her another beer, she was going to stab me in the face.
Well, first of all, there's not a store down there. Second of all, you don't need to be drinking. And then you're littering on top of that.
I'll get that.
What's your name?
Steve.
Steve, where do you live at, Steve?
About 2 miles or so back that way.
How long you been riding a lawnmower?
About 2 weeks. My truck's broke.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
You got a license on you, Steve?
Yeah. Hang on.
Crazy driving a...
Oh, man up. I've been drinking all day. Hang on just a second.
What are you doing?
I gotta pee.
Sir, step off the lawnmower. Sir,
Hang on.
step off the lawnmower.
Hang on.
I'm about to spray you.
Hang on.
Step off the lawnmower.
Just give me
Sir,
a second.
You better step off that lawnmower. You about to get sprayed. I'm serious. I'm serious.
I gotta go.
I know my rights. 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 Please, is it illegal to cut grass? Is it illegal to cut grass? What the hell? My wife's gonna kill her. I know my rights.